Back pain can quietly weaken your body, reduce mobility, and affect your quality of life. The good news is that a stronger back is possible with the right exercises. In this video, you'll discover 5 highly effective movements that improve posture, strengthen back muscles, reduce pain, and help you stay active, confident, and injury-free. Number 1. Bird dog exercise. The bird dog is one of the safest and most effective exercises for building a stronger back. It strengthens the muscles that support your spine, including the lower back, core, glutes, and shoulders. Physical therapists often recommend this exercise because it improves balance, coordination, and spinal stability while placing very little stress on the joints. Whether you spend long hours sitting at a desk or frequently lift heavy objects, the bird dog helps train your body to keep your spine stable during everyday activities. Perform the exercise. Begin on your hands and knees with your hands directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Tighten your abdominal muscles to keep your spine neutral. Slowly extend your right arm straight in front of you while extending your left leg behind you. Keep both your arm and leg parallel to the floor without allowing your hips to rotate. Hold the position for 2 to 3 seconds while breathing normally. Return to the starting position and repeat with the opposite arm and leg. Continue alternating sides for 10 to 15 repetitions. Avoid rushing through the movement or arching your lower back. Slow, controlled motions activate the stabilizing muscles much better than fast repetitions. As your strength improves, increase the hold time to 5 seconds. Performing 2 or 3 sets 3 to 4 times each week can significantly improve posture, reduce lower back discomfort, and enhance overall functional strength. Combined with regular stretching and proper lifting techniques, the bird dog is an excellent foundation for maintaining a healthy, pain-free back. Number 2. Superman exercise. The Superman exercise is a simple bodyweight movement that strengthens the muscles running along the spine. These muscles are responsible for maintaining good posture and protecting your back during lifting, walking, and daily activities. Weak spinal muscles often contribute to poor posture and chronic lower back pain, making this exercise an excellent addition to almost any fitness routine. Lie face down on an exercise mat with your arms fully extended in front of you and your legs straight behind you. Keep your neck in a neutral position by looking toward the floor. Tighten your core muscles before lifting both your arms and legs several inches off the ground at the same time. Imagine your body forming a gentle curve, similar to Superman flying through the air. Hold this position for 2 to 5 seconds before slowly lowering yourself back down. Perform 10 to 12 repetitions for 2 or 3 sets. Focus on squeezing your lower back and glute muscles rather than lifting as high as possible. Avoid jerking your body upward or holding your breath during the movement. If lifting both arms and legs is too challenging, start by raising one arm and the opposite leg until your strength improves. Practicing the Superman exercise regularly can increase spinal endurance, improve posture, reduce muscle imbalances, and lower the risk of back injuries. It's especially beneficial for people who spend long hours sitting because it strengthens the muscles weakened by prolonged sitting. Consistency is more important than intensity, so perform the exercise with excellent technique to achieve the best long-term results. Number 3. Glute bridge. Many people don't realize that weak glutes are a major contributor to lower back pain. When the glute muscles fail to support your hips properly, your lower back compensates by working harder than it should. The glute bridge strengthens the glutes, hamstrings, core, and lower back simultaneously, helping reduce unnecessary stress on the spine while improving overall stability. Begin by lying on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor about hip-width apart. Place your arms comfortably beside your body with your palms facing down. Tighten your abdominal muscles and squeeze your glutes before pressing through your heels to lift your hips toward the ceiling. Your body should form a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Hold the top position for 3 to 5 seconds while squeezing your glutes firmly. Slowly lower your hips back to the floor with control. Repeat for 12 to 15 repetitions and complete 2 or 3 sets. Avoid pushing through your toes or arching your lower back excessively. The movement should come primarily from your hips and glutes. As your strength improves, you can increase the challenge by performing single-leg glute bridges or adding a resistance band around your thighs. Regularly performing glute bridges helps improve posture, stabilize the pelvis, increase hip strength, and reduce pressure on the lumbar spine. Strong glutes also enhance athletic performance, improve walking efficiency, and decrease the likelihood of lower back injuries during everyday movements. Number 4. Cat-cow stretch. The cat-cow stretch is a gentle mobility exercise commonly used in yoga and physical therapy to improve spinal flexibility and reduce stiffness. While it may look simple, This movement helps lubricate the joints of the spine, improve posture, and relieve muscle tension that builds up from sitting for extended periods. It also increases body awareness by teaching you how to move your spine safely through its natural range of motion. Start on your hands and knees with your wrists positioned beneath your shoulders and your knees beneath your hips. Begin by inhaling deeply while slowly lowering your belly toward the floor, lifting your chest and looking slightly upward. This is the cow position. Next, exhale as you round your back toward the ceiling, tuck your chin toward your chest and gently pull your belly button inward to enter the cat position. Move slowly between these two positions, coordinating each movement with your breathing. Continue for 10 to 15 slow repetitions. Avoid forcing your spine into uncomfortable positions or moving too quickly. The goal is smooth, controlled movement rather than extreme stretching. Keep your shoulders relaxed and maintain steady breathing throughout the exercise. Performing the cat-cow stretch daily can improve spinal mobility, reduce muscle tightness, relieve mild lower back discomfort, and prepare your body for more challenging strengthening exercises. It is an excellent warm-up before workouts and an effective way to reduce stiffness after long periods of sitting or standing. Number 5. Plank. The plank is one of the best full-body exercises for developing core stability, which plays a critical role in maintaining a strong, healthy back. Although many people think the plank only targets the abdominal muscles, it also strengthens the lower back, shoulders, glutes, and hips. A strong core helps distribute forces evenly throughout the body, reducing excessive strain on the spine during daily activities. Begin by lying face down on the floor. Position your forearms on the ground with your elbows directly beneath your shoulders. Extend your legs behind you and lift your body so only your forearms and toes remain on the floor. Keep your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. Tighten your abdominal muscles, squeeze your glutes, and maintain steady breathing while holding the position for 20 to 60 seconds. Rest briefly before repeating for 2 or 3 sets. Avoid allowing your hips to sag toward the floor or rise too high into the air. Keep your neck in a neutral position by looking slightly ahead of your hands. Quality is far more important than holding the position for a long time. With consistent practice, the plank strengthens the muscles that support your spine, improves posture, enhances balance, and helps prevent lower back pain. It's an excellent exercise for beginners and advanced fitness enthusiasts alike because it can be easily modified to match different fitness levels. A stronger core ultimately leads to a stronger, healthier, and more resilient back.